Just after midnight on the 7th of January 2022, the tallest volcano on the Galapagos Island, which is called the Volcan Wolf or Wolf Volcano, has erupted. The eruption emitted ash several thousand meters high and lava flowed down the east flank of the volcano. Volcan Wolf last erupted in May of 2015. Volcan Wolf is part of the Galapagos Islands, which is also part of Ecuador. It is located 600 miles or 1,000 kilometers west of South America. Volcan Wolf is located on the north part of Isla Isabela or Isabela Island. This video was taken by Ministerio del Ambiente, Agua y Transicion, Ecologicas. And here you can see the fissure eruption and also a close-up of the lava flows. Just take a look at that long curtain of lava fountains. Pretty awesome. Here are some more shots taken by rangers of Parque Nacional Galapagos. Stay tuned for more updates on this eruption.